Alright people, welcome again to MG Sports TV. Hopefully you guys are doing good. I'm actually at the Prison Oval Sports Complex, where there's going to be, actually, you can call it pre-season, basically, but there's a fundraiser going on, and Stats Manning Cup team will be going up against Spanish Town Manning Cup team as well. So I expect to see a good encounter in that, where that is concerned. That should give me some insight on what is to come for the schoolboy football season. As you guys don't know, already know, a lot of these teams are already in training. Alright, so when I hear talk about, the Jamaica U15 team that will participate in the Malmo trophy. As you guys know, we are slated in Group A, and in Group A we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, there's 6 teams. No, there's 5 teams in Group A. My apologies where that is concerned. And I'm going to tell you how the fixtures set up, when the games will be playing, how the games are structured, which is quite difficult, people. Very, very difficult. So what I want you guys to do right at this present moment is smash that like button, hit the subscribe button as well, and join the family, join the MG family. Join the MG family. That's what they all say. Join the MG family. And certainly share the video for persons who would want to get this information out. Alright, so we're forming Group A. In Group A we have Payok FC, that's the team from Greece. We have the Jamaica Football Federation, that's Reggae Boys. We have SC Heerenveen, that's from the Dutch League. These are under 15. Know that these are under 15. We have Sevilla FC and Malmo FF. So those are the team: Malmo, Sevilla, Heerenveen, and Payok FC. Those are the teams that would participate in the Reggae Boys. You can call them Reggae Boys group. So this is the order of the game. First matchup will be on the 2nd of June, Friday, June 2nd, and Jamaica will be going up against Payok FC at 12 p.m. At 12 p.m. Malmo will go up against Heerenveen at 1 p.m. Sevilla again will be playing against Sevilla in the same day, people. At 4 p.m. we'll be going up against Jamaica. So that's too much in one day. And the matches go all the way up to 8 p.m. in the evening. But certainly, I'm expecting some good encounter here. Let's see what Jamaica has to offer against these teams. So let me give you guys on match day 1. We'll be playing 2 games. Game 1 is Jamaica versus Payok FC. Is it Payok? I don't know how to pronounce the name. That's the best I can pronounce it, people. I'm not a scholar on these different type of languages. I do know a lot of persons say, hey, why don't you go and learn? I will search for the pronunciation, and that's what I heard him say. Anyways, so, and then we have Sevilla, so it's 12, and then 4 hours later we're going up against Sevilla. So I don't know, because if the game is roughly in a 2-hour region, it's 12 p.m. and then 4 p.m. That's the time for both games. So the next matchup would be on the 3rd of June, which is actually the following day. We are going to play Heerenveen at 9 a.m. in the morning, and then 1500, well, that's 3 p.m. we're going up against Malmo. So the next day we'll be also playing 2 games again for the day. So it is going to be very, very hectic for the boys, extremely hectic. Then after that, on the 4th day, that's on Sunday, that's where they're going to have the winners of each group, winners and second place of each group going up against each other. And then then later in the evening, winners of each group going up against each other on the 4th. That's on the 4th. And then after that, that's in the morning, and then after that they will have the final at 1 p.m. So that's how it's structured. It's actually structured really, really weird. 2 games per day, and games we're playing every day, basically from the 2nd until the 4th. You'll have basically 2 games being played per day, which is going to be tough. That's going to be extremely tough. So let me give you the teams again in the group. Payok FC, that's with Jamaica, SE Heerenveen, Sevilla FC, and Malmo And that's it. So let me see if I can find Group B. Let's have a look at Group B, people. I'm trying to find the next group. Alright, so it's giving me some problem. The internet is down. Alright, so anyways, people, the internet is down now, so I won't be able to find the next group. So hopefully you guys are doing good, and that's it for now, people. So smash the like button, hit the subscribe button if you're here for the first time, and I'll see you guys again. Until next time, MG Sports TV, people, are out.